Welcome to this video, guys. I was trying to run this React app and I just did an npm install and I came across this error that says npm is not recognized as the name of a command or a function. And if I check or if I type node here, node is installed. So if I click on this, node will also run. But there's only issue with npm or even node if I try to run it from terminal. So this means that this is not added to environment variables. So what you can do is first check where you have installed Node. So what we do is you go to C drive and basically it is installed inside program files, and here you can see Node.js. So this is where I have this installed. But in your case, this Node.js folder might be directly here or here, but that's very less likely. Most of the time it should be here. So once you have the path, just copy the path. All right, copy this, press your Windows key and type environment variables. Click on this, click on environment variables, and here you'll see this path. Double click on this and double click on this bottom row. Paste the path here, click on OK, click on OK, and finally click on OK again. And now open your command prompt. And now if I type node -- version, as you can see, it is showing the node version. So now what we can do is we can run our npm commands from here. But if I just run this again, this will still give me an error. So if you are in VS Code, just close this and open VS Code again. And now you can run npm and node from your VS Code. So let me try doing this again. Click on this here and open your terminal. Now let's type npm install. And this time, as you can see, there is no error and the installation has started. So this is how you can fix npm or node not found error in VS Code or generally in Windows 11. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.